NextGen's 3000 kilonewton universal testing system. This is the main unit, which features a 4-column structure with the oil cylinder mounted at the top. The pistons measure 23.6 inches or 650 millimeters. The system includes a load cell with a 3000 kilonewton capacity, and both the upper and lower grips are hydraulically operated, utilizing double-sided action tensile grips. The tensile grips are suitable for testing both flat and round specimens. The machine can perform tensile testing on steel tubes or rebar material and can also be used for compression and bend testing. This UTM has a net weight of 38,000 pounds, 19 tons, and stands at a total height of 4.2 meters, 13 feet and 9 inches. This is the power pack for the UTM. This is the loading cell control box, remote control unit, and Tensile software. When the universal tester is first received, begin by erecting the machine and placing a wooden block between the fixtures. Only after this should you loosen the nuts to remove the steel plates. It is essential to follow these instructions to prevent the upper head from dropping down. Please adhere to these safety instructions. On the back of the UTM, there are a lower limit switch and an upper limit switch. When the unit makes contact with either limit switch, it will automatically shut off the motor. Power transformer supplied with your unit. Please connect the main unit to the power transformer. The transformer has an input power rating of 25 kilowatts with a 3-phase input of 480 volts at 60 hertz. The output is 3-phase 380 volts. Additionally, there is a single-phase output of 220 volts. The supplied testing machine is a 3-phase unit operating at 380 volts. You will find 3 ports labeled with 480 volts. Please connect the transformer to your power source using your preferred connection cable for the 3-phase 480 volts. The output is 3-phase 380 volts. This is the live line, and this is the neutral line. This is a single-phase 220-volt outlet. It is connected to the power socket for the computer, printer, computer monitor, and the cell control box. Please connect these devices to this power socket. The input is 480 volts and the output is 380 volts. The power supply for this power pack is 3-phase, 380 volts. The power supply for the 2 motors is 15 kilowatts. This is the hand-controlled remote system, which needs to be connected to the power pack. The accompanying power cable is designated for this connection. It should be linked to the power transformer supplied with your unit. The power transformer has a three-phase input of 480 volts and an output of three-phase 380 volts. This is the power unit responsible for connecting the hydraulic pipes. We have labeled the pipes for clarity as follows: A0, B0, A1, B1, A2, B2, C1, D1, C2, and D2. These markings are intended to simplify the necessary connections. The pumps are used for clamping and releasing the clamps, while the other two pumps control the oil cylinder. The left pipe connects to the upper section, and the right pipe connects to the lower section. Before the unit arrives, please ensure you have prepared anti-wear hydraulic oil. The oil should be filled through this filler hole. Please use 400 liters of ISO-VG 46 oil. The oil level indicator will help you determine when the oil has reached the appropriate level. This cable connects to the cell, and this connector connects to the cell control box. This is the cell control box. This is the power cable for the single-phase 220-volt supply. The control output connects to the power pack, which is linked to the cell. This is the displacement port, which connects to the main unit's encoder. Additionally, this is the communication cable, which connects to the computer. And this is the limit switch. Connect the limit switch cable to the main unit. This is the back of the computer. The white communication cable connects to the cell control box. This port is designed for connection to the 3,000 kilonewton load cell, while this other port connects to the extensometer.